Siwan's about to try the elephant food. Run Sawad! The last time you saw us, we were exploring the island of Bali and its surrounding islands, and now we're here about an hour and a half outside of Chiang Mai, here at the Jungle Elephant Sanctuary, and we're super excited today because we are going to be joining up with a group and hopefully a few friends of ours who are running a little bit late and going together and actually bathing the elephants, feeding the elephants in a sustainable way, because also in Thailand, some other countries, elephant exploitation is unfortunately very common when you go on rides. So we're going to learn a little bit more about that, hopefully have an amazing experience here today and share with you.
Yeah, and also we get picked up at our hotel when we book online. So all of these different vans, sort of taxi cars, they pick you up at your hotel and drive you an hour and a half here to the sanctuary.
Exactly, yeah, that's in terms of transportation. And how much was the ticket for everything we're going to experience today?
It was 3,400 baht for both of us.
We're going to see if it's worth it very soon, so let's go. First, we're all putting on these little special vests. This helps the elephants remember each person, so the group is all getting their little vests on. Reunited! What's up, Siwan?
Different doesn't mean anything bad. It just means that you're special. You're one of a kind.
Now we're actually learning about the diet of the elephants here on the reserve. Here about the reserve is this place actually really good, not just for the elephants and protecting them, you know, helping them to kind of survive sustainably and not go extinct, is also helps the local community and the people in the area, because elephants eat a ton of food every day, and because of this the sanctuary needs to kind of supply this food, and most of the food actually comes from the local communities, right? So they actually get paid ultimately to kind of supply the food for the elephants. They're able to monetize and kind of keep this going by these tickets. So this is actually a really good activity to do, not just obviously for fun, but actually has a really great impact, which is really, really cool. Siwan's about to try the elephant food, like literally. All right.
It's sharp, yeah. Just try it. Don't swallow, yeah.
Oh, don't swallow.
You want to swallow, you can chew it, because the grass is a bit sharp. So if you chew it nicely, it's okay.
All right. Yeah, I would have sliced your into. How is it?
Delicious.
Is it really good?
Yeah, not bad. Just like tamarind.
Now we're gonna go get muddy with the elephants. Soldiers have just returned from the battlefront, and in doing so, Siwan has committed a hate crime in the United States. Looking good, guys, but how was it?
It was horrible.
It was horrible.
We would be cleaner if it weren't for this guy. We ate mud. Yeah, there's mud everywhere.
But do you think people should go into the mud or not?
Yes.
Yes. All right, now it's lunchtime, baby. All right, so after about a 2-hour car ride, we're back here at Siwan's apartment.
With the black tea.
With this giant pool. We got the black tea team going on. And how was it, guys?
Dude, it was amazing.
Amazing?
It was muddy.
What about you guys?
It was messy.
Definitely worth going to, even with the long, bumpy car rides.
And I will say too, you
Yeah.
can choose to do the morning tour, the afternoon tour, or the full day. So
Yeah.
if you're not in the mood to wake
wake
me
up
up
at
at
6
6
a.m.
a.m. like we did, maybe do the afternoon tour and you're gonna like it too.
Yeah, absolutely. But anyway, we loved having you guys along with us and hope you enjoyed it. And if you like this video, then you'll love this video of Buddha burning at the Chiang Mai Lantern Festival, which we'll put here on the screen. And as always, thanks so much for watching. God bless. Look forward to having you in the next one. Till then,
Ciao.
ciao.
谢谢。